This example, we are going to combine items from a liquid scale into one item. We want to make a scale. So for this example, we have 4 options and make a motivation scale. In this case, we combine all of these 4 elements using SPSS to make one scale. Also, in this case, all items are positively ordered and organized in a Likert scale. 1 low and then 4 high. Okay, there are 2 methods to compute a composite scale. Now let's compute using the average method for the motivation scale. Back to my working SPSS file, we have 4 items, A, B, C, D. These are the items. I'm going to combine them to make one scale. So in other words, we are going to combine all of these 4 elements. Make sure you keep them in a parenthesis and divide by 4. That's the one we get the motivation scale for our need. Let's go back to SPSS file. In this data set, we click transform, compute variable. In our target variables, we are going to name it motivation scale. Okay, you can name it motivation scale. Hit continue and make sure you start with the parenthesis. So this is the one we're starting. Now the first value is, I think this is the one. Click there. Oh, that's the B one. So let's delete this one. Okay, I practice. This is the first one. I practice. Click there. Plus B item is this one. It goes there. Plus C item. This is the C one. Okay. Plus D. So we have 4 items. Now move your cursor here and then divide. So total 4 items. Click there, hit OK. Now this is the one. We are here. Let's take a look. Now this is the one, motivation scale, which we reverse. So if you go to the variables and then last item, this is here you go, and then you can put the value. The one value is low, and then the 4 is high value. Is in the Likert scale 1 to 4. Click OK. If you go back to your data set, you should not have more than the entire data set should be between 1 to 4, 1 low and then 4 high. So this is the correct one. Let's go and check the method 2. Again, click transform, go to compute variable, and we are going to compute again motivation scale. I'll write B because we did this earlier too. So again, motivation scale, this is B. Now this time what we do is go to the function group. Here you will find statistic. Okay, statistic. Click on mean. We are going to go by the mean of 4 items. Now the first item is, once you get the parenthesis, okay, click this one. This is our first one and it's A. Now you move your cursor after comma. The second one is I prefer, then now put comma, type from your keyboard. Third item and then hit there C. Now comma, you need to enter it manually. Now the last one D. Okay, you have all of these 4 items as you have on your survey. So we are going to get the mean score of 4 items. Now once you are done this, click OK. This is your syntax. If you go back to your data set, so you have the first method and then second method of getting the scale. Okay, you have exact the same score in the both method, so you can go either way to find the motivation scale.